happy holidays for whatever holidays you do or don't celebrate. I myself am a Christmas celebrator, so today I am doing a Christmas outfit for you guys. This skirt is by Hal Bunny. Everything that I'm wearing is credited in the description below as per usual. I don't really wear like a lot of sort of cutesy pinup-y stuff anymore, but I feel like Christmas just kind of lends well to that vibe. So here we are back in the vibe. This gold belt, I think I got this at Forever 21 like 20 years ago. And a little flower. The good thing about Christmas is that you can kind of just go for it, do as much stuff, as many accessories as possible, and it all just kind of works. These are little drippy blood dagger hand earrings, but they're red, so we're gonna call that a festive holiday jewelry type of thing. Find the mess behind me on my couch. This was a day where I was filming a bunch of stuff, so that's just like discarded clothing. And another necklace that's red, so we're also going to call this Christmas. I don't have a lot of green stuff, honestly, so red is kind of my only Christmas flex, so I just kind of went hard with the red. And this little Mischief Made sweater, it is so soft. I love these Mischief Made sweaters. They're very comfortable, and I was trying to figure out how to still see my necklace with it buttoned at the top. It was distracting my brain. These are, I think I got these shoes on ModCloth, and I don't know, they're comfortable. They're platforms. I know this seems like a weird look for the holidays because it's a very warm weather look, but I live in California, so sue me. Anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for sticking around with me for another year. I hope everybody has wonderful holidays and a good end of your year. Stay safe, stay healthy, have so much fun, and I will see you guys next year.